Hello, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're going to see how to plan a bar like this, and we will go through it step by step. So first of all, we are activating the smart clicks, and you see we have here two cabinets, and I will show you one of the best ways how to plan it. All right. So first of all, I change the language to English, and then we click on File, and we start a new project. All right. So we have two cabinets, and the first one has a width of 3000. That's why we click here on the measurement, on the dimension, and type in 3000. So, and the height of this cabinet is 900. So we have here on top a cover panel. That's why we activate here the cover panel. And here we also set an overlap to front of 30 mil. Yeah, you see it's directly extended. Okay, so the height of the plinth is here 80 and is getting immediately changed, how you saw. So we don't have plinth or trim on the side. That's why we are going from the division tab to from the cabinet tab to the division tab. So here we have 3 verticals, and we type in 3, and we just drag it and drop it in here. So you see the area, they are related in relation 1-to-1 to each other, and we just click on here and type in number 2. Yeah, that's why when there is number 1, that is the default. That means all numbers from 1 to 9, they are related in relation 1-to-1, and here in this case 1-to-1 to 2-to-1 to each other. Yeah, you see the right proportion. All right. So then we go here in the interior tab, and here we have here adjustable shelf in here and in here. All right. When we have done this, we are going to the front tab, and we have here a left door and a left door as well. And on the right side, we are choosing here right door and just drag it and drop it in here. And here in this area, we have 2 drawers. Yeah, here you can also choose the hardware for your drawer, choosing the Ligra box and just dragging and dropping it in here, and then we are pretty much done with the first cabinet. So now we can choose material. We click here on material, and we can choose our thickness of material, and then we drag it and drop it over here. Yeah, you see the area beneath is getting smaller because the cover panel is belonging to the height of the cabinet. All right. Yeah, if you want, you can also extend the handles. So you go here on the front tab and here on the drop down menu for the handles. And when you go here, drillings for handles, you can choose a distance, like 450 for example. Then you have here extend the handles. See here you can also choose, do you want to have no handles or a knob, or if you want to have it horizontal, yeah, you can also have it all horizontal. And when you also want to change the color for the handles, then you click here also on the material tab and choose here a material and drag it and drop it over the handles. Yeah, then they get also a different color if you want to have it. Yeah, originally it has the same color as front panel. All right. Yeah, when we are done with the first cabinet, we can go to the second, and you have here more options. You can click on the cabinet tab and type in here the measurements and drag it and drop it over the smart click. You can also click on the smart click and here at the cabinet, or we can also copy this. Yeah, we can also copy the cabinet and we can go here on a smart click for the whole area. Yeah, every area has here on the top left corner green smart click. When we go with the mouse over it, you see also the area purple colored. And here we have two areas, so two smart clicks. That is one for any area, and here this one is for the whole area. And when you click on here and delete it, you can delete everything. And here we remove the cover panel, and here we have a depth of the cabinet of 350. Yeah, and what I remember now, here on the bottom cabinet has a depth of 600. You can also change it later on. So on the top one, we don't have a plinth. That's why we click here. Yeah, you need to be careful. Now the bottom cabinet is activated. We can activate here the top cabinet. And here we say we don't want to have a plinth. And we choose no plinth. So, all right. When we have done this, we are going now to the division tab, and here we want to have 4 verticals. We just drag and drop them in here. So, and now we have more options here. When we can work with relations. Yeah, when we want to have 1 to 2 to 2 to 2 to each other, then we can type in here width of area 2. And here as well. So, or when you say, oh, I want to have here exactly 300, Yeah, then we can type in here 300. Yeah, when it's appearing, you can also click here on this dimension and type in 300, confirming with enter. Yeah, in this case, it doesn't matter if here is standing a 1, a 2, or a 3. They are related in relation to each other. It's the same as in like when there's number 1. Here we have it fixed on 300, and then we have it here. So when you want to let the vertical passing through the top, then you click here on a drop down menu and you activate your vertical passing through top. You can also have it for the bottom. When you say you don't want to have here a bottom panel, then you can here also click on the right or here the left smart click, and you can say bottom panel delete. Then it's deleted. And when you delete it, just make sure that here the vertical is also passing through bottom. You can do it here, or when you click here on the smart click, you can also choose here horizontal passing or vertical passing through bottom, and for the top the same. All right, now we can continue with our division. Now we want to have horizontals, and you can go here, drag it and drop it in every area. So it would be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you go with the mouse over a divider, then you get it in every area. So, but here we want to have also the height, the same height as the width. Here as well, 300. Here's also important that you click here on the dimension or on the right smart click. Here you see we have here the area for the whole, smart click for the whole area, and here for the top right area. That is what we need. And click here on height and type in 300, and here we are. So I've just noticed that we have here 1200 height. So, and then we can continue with our division. We have here a horizontal, here one, and here as well. And now we are going to the interior, no, to the division tab. We keep here. We have here 2 verticals. And then we are going to the interior tab. And here we have an adjustable shelf. And now we are done with interior and division. We don't have a front in here, but what we do have is a different material. You can choose here the thickness of the material, and then you can activate all parts of group. And then you can drag and drop the materials because all horizontals and verticals are belonging to the same group. And we can choose it, and now we can let disappear the smart legs. You can draw it with open fronts. You can draw it with visible fronts and with as normal again. All right, that is it for today. I think it's a good project to start with. Yeah, how to make the basics, how to make the division and work with two cabinets. So thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to our next time. So take care. Bye bye.